What if I tell you you can host your website on AWS without any server, without EC2 and almost free? Yes, that's right. You can use S3 to host your website. And today's we are going to see a demo of it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucketflow, and today's we are going to host our React application, React website on S3. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and check out other videos related to AWS. If you are on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well, and you can check out my portfolio rakeshvan.in. Let's get back to our topic. So currently this website is running on localhost 5173. You can see here this is running local 5, but I want to deploy this website so anyone can use it. Okay, best option is create a bucket and host it there. So today's demo is this one. Okay, first we need to create a bucket, and the bucket name should be unique. So we are going to give Rakesh Doctor website. Okay, hope this is a unique, and by default it's selected ACL. We are going to see what is ACL. Okay, and you need to uncheck this block all public access. Bucket versioning no need as of now, and create bucket. Okay, so when you uncheck this one, block all public access, you will get the warning. Check this one, create bucket. Okay, so our bucket is create, and here is our React app. So once you will run npm run build, you will get folder something called dist. Inside you will have assets, index.html and something. Okay, you need to upload all this file into your S3. Okay, what I will do, I will drag and drop all these 3 folders in my S3. Okay, now click on upload. Okay, so once the process is done, what you can do, go back to your bucket. Okay, under properties you will have an option called static website hosting. Click on edit, enable. Okay, and here you can give index.html. No error page, no redirect rule. Okay, save update. Okay, now we need to do one more thing, which is bucket policy. Okay, go inside the permissions. Here you need to add the bucket policy. Okay, and you can search on Google AWS policy generator. Here type of policy S3, effect allow, principal you can give star. Okay, action you can give specific action or anything, and by name also you can give. And under all ARM we need to copy our ARN. So where you will get this one, if you go to your bucket, inside bucket go to properties. Okay, here you can see your ARN. Copy this one, paste it. Okay, click add statement, generate policy. Here this policy you need to copy, go back to your S3 bucket, under bucket policy, paste this. Click on edit it, and after website put / and star, or else it will not going to work. Might give you error. You can try. Click on save. Now it's done. Go back to our object. Okay, everything is done. Go to properties, and here under this static website hosting you will have a website. Okay, endpoint. Click on that and just wait. Now your website is up and running on internet. You can share this URL with anyone and they are able to access. Okay, home, about, services, reviews, book now coming soon. Okay, so that means it's working perfectly. Okay, as of now. So that's how you can host your React application website on S3. And if you have a simple index.html file also, you can host the same process. Just do let me know if you want that videos as well. Okay, that's all for today's, and if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and check out other my LinkedIn or check out my portfolio as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.